Hello everybody, this is John from Data Matrix. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install your print driver for your Lexmark machine. Before getting started, we must first verify that the printer is on the network and communicating properly. To do this, we will enter the IP address of the MFP into a web browser of your choice. If the embedded web server appears, then you will know that the Lexmark machine is connected to the network properly. Make note of the model number for your particular machine. In this case, it's a Lexmark XC4150. Now to download the print driver, we will go to support.lexmark.com. From this section, type in the model number of your machine. Here we pasted XC4150 because that is the machine we have here. Click on the link to expand the details of this machine. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see drivers and software under the Downloads tab. Now is where we select the operating system and the version of that operating system it's running on. This is very important for the steps. For the operating system, I have chosen Windows because that is the operating system that is running on the computer in front of me. For the version, I have selected Windows Server 2016 because that is the version I am running on the PC that is in front of me. Now select the link below recommended driver to begin the download of the print driver. Wait for the download to finish, and when it does, run the .exe file to begin the installation of the print driver. Proceed through the installation by selecting Install Now. Confirm or accept any dialog that appears until you get to the window that says Configure Printer Connection. Here your computer will discover any printers that are connected on the same network as this PC. The Lexmark printer should be detected automatically, but if not, select Advanced and input the IP address of the printer in there directly. After the IP address is entered manually or the printer is detected automatically, we can then choose the print driver. On the bottom left drop-down, it is recommended to use either XL, PCL5, or PS drivers. The driver that we have chosen for this installation is the PCL5. After the installation is complete, we can verify if it was successful or not by going to Control Panel, changing View By option from large icons or list view into small icons. And from there, we select Devices and Printers, and we should see all the printers that are currently connected to this computer. Search for the model of the printer that we just finished installing and right-click on it and select Printer Properties. Within Printer Properties, there are very many useful and important settings. To verify that the installation was successful, we will click on Print Test Page.